Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about the iPhone hacks. So today I will share a tutorial how to adjusting the level of your flashlight on your iPhone. So here first thing we're gonna do is just make sure we are standby on the home screen, and after that you just need to go into this upper line here. So make sure that you are dragged down on this part, okay, on the right part. Wait a minute. Okay, let's slide down, and then now you can have an access into the shortcuts here. So to activate the flashlight, you just need to go into this flashlight. Okay, wait a minute, this flashlight. But then after you click it, don't let it out. So you just need to click as well as hold it, and then you will be having access into adjusting the level of your flashlight. So if you want to make it like a little bit, like not too much light, just go with this. But if you want to have a full light, full power for your flashlight, just go with this. This is the maximum light that your phone can give to you. If you feel that it's too bright, just go with the lower level, and if you want to turn it off, just go with this. And that's all the way how you adjusting the level of the light on your flashlight on your iPhone. So if you find that this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to save this video, like, leave a comment, and subscribe into this channel.